Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi to all. This is a lesson for Maths Year 10. So for this week, I decide to revise on angle properties, as this is like a very common question in paper 1, and you will need to know few of the angle properties in order to solve the question. Okay, so we have 6 angle properties of a circle. I focus on angle properties of a circle, okay, for this 2 video. So the first video I will explain on the first, second and third property, and then second video for fifth and number 6 properties of circle. Okay, so now for the first and second one, it's the same property, but then we have 2 types of shape or 2 types of polygon inside a circle. Okay, so the angle for the first one, okay, the angle subtended at the center of the circle is always twice the angle subtended at the circumference of a circle. Okay, so throughout this video, O will always be my center. Okay, O is the center of my circle. So I mentioned just now, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, you need to make sure that one is the center. Okay, twice simply means, can I denote by using double line? Okay, so that is twice of that. Okay, here I use double line, means twice of that one. Okay, so in notation form, that is just AOB. Okay, AOB is equals to double of APB. Okay, AOB is double of APB. Okay, so the second shape is something like this. Okay, something like this. Remember, still the same concept. The angle at the center is twice of the angle at the circumference. So here, one, that one, twice. Okay, so angle at the center is twice of angle at the circumference. Okay, so it can be in that shape or can be in that shape. Okay, so that one, if you want to write in notation form, that is just because we are dealing with the reflex angle, so you can say the reflex angle of AOB is equals to the twice of the angle of AQB. Okay, reflex angle of AOB, reflex because if I, without the word reflex here, if I close that word, if I close that word, means angle AOB, right? But angle AOB is that angle. That is not twice of that. By looking only, we know that this side, this side is not twice of that. The other angle, the other side, means the reflex angle is twice of AQB. Okay? Okay, and then the third property, the third property is this one. Okay, if you have one line, if you have a triangle inside a circle, and one of the side of the triangle is the diameter of that circle, simply means you have a 90-degree angle, or you have a right angle triangle. But you need to make sure one of the side of the triangle is the diameter, then you will get a right angle triangle. Okay, means ACB is just 90 degree. Okay, remember we have 3 properties as for now. Okay, I will continue with the next properties in the next video.